ask their doctors about bone health. Crystal Gamansing, Global News, Winnipeg.
Now to the medical procedure with a strange nickname, the so-called vampire facelift. It promises to help you look younger. Jennifer Palisock explains the name and shows us how it works.
Believe it or not, these blood-sucking vampires may be onto something. It turns out they're not the only ones thirsting for blood.
It takes literally 30 seconds to take the blood out.
In the search for eternal youth, experts are now using a person's own blood in the latest technique to smooth away signs of aging.
So this is the jawline.
It's a system called Selphyl, which some have dubbed the vampire facelift.
It's from a patient's own blood, so it's really a natural product. There's no chemical additives.
Recently approved in Canada, Selphyl is gaining momentum. Doctors say, unlike fillers such as Botox, it's not a toxin.
I thought it sounded like a very natural option.
Essentially what we've done is we figured out how to harness the body's power to heal a wound and direct it in an area where we want to build new tissue.
For Amanda Dalton, knowing her own blood will be used brings some comfort.
Seems just a little easier, safer, I don't have to worry about what might or might not happen.
Here's how it's done. Vials of blood are taken from the patient. They're put into this machine, which spins the vials.
That separates the blood into components. We're not interested in the red cells or the white cells. We're interested in the platelets and the plasma.
It takes about 6 minutes.
This is what we're wanting, this stuff.
The platelets are then injected into the skin. When it's injected into the dermis, the lower portion of the skin, it causes it to thicken and build collagen. In other words, plump it up naturally.
The body's being tricked into believing it's been injured in that area, and so it then mounts a wound repair response.
Doctors say it takes about 3 to 6 weeks to see results. It costs between $800 and $1,400 and can last for a year or even longer. Jennifer Palisock, Global News.
Time for another short break. Still to come, Old Spice taking a stroll down